How to create a vocal exercise routine playlist with Dot Singing YouTube channel fast. Sign into YouTube with your Google account. Go to Dot Singing. From the home screen, scroll down past popular and past compilations. You'll see numbered playlists including breathing, resonance, chest voice, head voice, mixed voice, and agility and range. You can choose 1 or 2 exercises from each category. Go to the breathing playlist, choose an exercise, click the 3 dots, save to playlist. This will prompt you to create a new playlist. Type in the playlist name. You can make your playlist public, anyone can search and view, unlisted, anyone with the link can view, and private, only you can view. I'm going to make it public. Click Create. Your playlist should appear on the left. If you can't see it and your screen looks like this, click the 3 lines in the left-hand corner, scroll down and click Show More, and you'll see your playlist. To understand the order of the exercises, go to the link in the header and download the Vocal Exercise Routine Guide. You can sign up here. Now you can continue to add to the playlist. I'm going to add a humming exercise, and you'll see Dot Singing warm-ups is there. Please note the pink thumbnails are for female voice and the blue thumbnails are for male voice. Add 2 chest voice exercises. Add 2 head voice exercises. A couple of mixed voice exercises, and 2 from agility and range. If I click on Dot's playlist, you'll see the full list of exercises here. You can reorder the exercises by dragging the 2 lines. You can share the vocal exercises here, copy the link, or share on social media. If you click the 3 dots, you can also delete the playlist. To view the playlist, click Play All, and the exercises will step through on the right. See the link to download your free vocal exercise routine guide. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications.